Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Clay Roberts Storage Cubes, a stylish and practical solution for all your storage needs. These foldable storage boxes, measuring 25 centimeters on each side, come in a pack of 2 and are perfect for organizing any space, whether it's your home or office. With their sleek brown fabric and sophisticated pattern, these cubes not only provide ample storage space but also add a touch of elegance to any room. Designed for versatility, you can place them on shelves, countertops, desks, or even the floor, making it easy to keep your living room, bedroom, or closet tidy. And when you need to save space, simply fold them up for compact storage until you're ready to use them again. Whether you're storing personal items or everyday household essentials, these storage cubes offer a perfect blend of style and functionality. Don't miss out on transforming your space with these chic and convenient storage solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.